In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a large file in InfinityFree. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to select your hosting account, and then from here, you want to first try and go into File Manager. So sometimes some files will actually go through. So if you click on File Manager here, and if you try to find the big file or the large file you actually try to upload, you want to first go into HD Docs, and then you want to click on Upload, select your file from here. For example, if I try to go and put in any of these videos I have over here, like this one, as you can see, it's going to upload even though it's like 14 megabytes, okay? But sometimes it's just not going to let you through because the file may be too big. Now, if that happens to you, if the file is too big, don't worry because there's actually still a way to do this and to upload your file, and that is using like an FTP FileZilla connection or something similar. So the easiest way by far to do this is simply to go into FTP details over here on the left, and then from here you will see, of course, the username, password, host name, and then the port. You want to open up a program such as FileZilla, so we can download that from the internet. You have like, it's a free program. You could use any other ones as well, but this one I think is the easiest to use. So we just want to go and basically copy this FTP username over here and paste it inside here up top. Then you have to have the password, copy it, and then you want to paste it. You'll have to use the host, which is going to be this one over here. Again, copy and paste, and then the port was 21, which is optional. After this, click on Quick Connect, and for the first time you do this, it's going to likely ask you for like an approval of a certificate or something like that. So we can just basically go ahead and accept that, and if it doesn't connect, just wait for a few seconds. It's going to reconnect, and then you should be in here. Now over here on the right, you can see there's going to be like a page where you can see in this box, it says HD Docs. This is basically where you have to upload your files. So just double click on HD Docs, and then it's going to open up the HD Docs folder, and then you can go ahead and drag and drop your files directly in here, okay? So as you can see, I have some indexes in here. I could go and basically create like a new file in here, right click, create new file, or I could just go to my computer over here on the left where I have my documents, find the large file I want to upload, and I could just basically drag and drop it in here, and it's going to upload it directly in here, no matter how large that specific file is. So that's how to upload large files. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.